Major Illinois, where are your men?
Our platoon has been annihilated by the enemy. We are attempting to blow the bridge.
How much time do we have?
God damn it, Lieutenant! Our asses are on the line. Work like you have no time!
You have done many things against the party.
We have no choice. The bridge must not fall into fascist hands.
Everybody, open fire!
There's nothing but dead trees!
About face!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
They cannot offer us any support.
They're coming!
You have 4 of my men. Look after them.
We're all going to die if we stay here!
There's no room in the Red Army for panic mongers.
The ghost signed up to it. First day of the war.
Voggett? Is that you?
If he will take the bridge, Voggett will not have died in vain.
Better get that bloody bridge blown up soon!
Yes, Major. It's been an honor, sir. Sacrifices must be made.
It's suicide! If we have to give up the whole damn platoon, then so be it.